Good morning and welcome to the Bluayado channel. This is happy declaration date for REX shares, Yield Max, Defiance, and Roundhill. We got a couple of stuff coming up. This is the last week of January. You can some of them you can know about the price today and still get paid on Friday. Some of these happened on Tuesday and Monday. So Rex shares came out pretty early. But like I said, I was going to do them all on the 29th. This is the first payment for the Rex shares crypto equity premium income ETF CEPI. It just came out last month, I think. This is the first payment they're making, and it's a pretty good payment. So ticker CEPI is going to get paid 1.6983 per share, which is pretty awesome. The X date was yesterday. So yeah, that's that one. This is the first payment, the first distribution for CEPI, the newest one I think from Rex Shares. So that's that one. Next we got FEPI, FEPI ticker. They're paying 1.0456 per share. Um, this one, the X date is today. They declared last night, when this came out. Yeah, 5:45 last night this came out. So that's that one. Also AIPI is also paying 1.4484 per share. So these are pretty good, and these are around $50 ETFs. So that's pretty good payments for those. And these are monthlies. Next up, what do we got next? Let's go for Roundhill. Okay, so Roundhill. Wow, these weeklies are alright. These are pretty good for weeklies. Yeah, like I said, payday is on the 31st. First up we got XDTE. This is the one that covers the S&P 500. Cover calls. They're paying 0.254857 per share. This is weekly. Roundhill Innovation. This covers the Nasdaq. Um, Cover calls for the Nasdaq. Ticker is QDTE. They're paying 0.188007 per share. Another weekly. RDTE ticker covers the small cap cover calls, and it's paying 0.215479 per share, and this is another weekly. And then now we have the crypto related ones down here. YBTC 0.879647 per share. This is an awesome payment. This is a really good payment for a weekly, and this is a $50 stock. So this is a pretty awesome payment. Um, yeah, this is really good. And then Roundhill, the cover call on Ether for crypto, YETH is paying 3.598833 per share. This is really good. This is monthly. So, yeah, the crypto related ones are doing excellent right now for Roundhill. Really, really good payment. Yeah, all these, I'm not upset about any of these right now. So, really good for Roundhill. And what else we got? Defiance weeklies. Woo, these are not looking so hot. These are not looking good at all. Look at the rates, 13%. You can tell it's really bad. So yeah, here we go. Ticker QQQY covers the Nasdaq 100. Only paying 7 cents, 0.0757 per share. They didn't win at all on their cover calls in Defiance. Ticker WTDE. That covers the S&P 500. Ooh, 9 cents. This is terrible. 0.0987 per share. Again, not good at all, especially in comparison to Roundhill. Not good at all. Um, IWMY covers the Russell small caps. At least it's a little better. This is worse than it ever did, I think. This might be the lowest payment. It's paying 0.1035. I think I might have put a bad mouth on this. I just said last week that they've been consistently paying 30 cents for the whole month of January, and then look at the last week of January, they come out with 10 cents, which is completely different from what they was doing for the whole month. So Defiance, not so good. Um, Yield Max, here we go. All right, so the best one for Yield Max is going to be Platy, and then Marrow, Nvidia. Okay, so let's just look at the. All right, so GPTY, like I said, it just came out last week, so they're not making a payment this week. The first payment they're going to make is in February. So we'll know what kind of payments they make next month. So that one didn't pay this week. LFGY, which is the newest weekly, they made their first payment last week, which was around 70 something cents. And now this one is 62 cents. This is pretty good for a weekly payment. So yeah, I might buy more of these. I don't have that many right now. So LFGY, which is um, a crypto ETF and tech ETF that pays weekly, is 0.6294 per share. YMAX is 0.1469 per share. YMAG is 0.1898 per share. These are all weeklies. And now the rest of these are going to be from Group B for YMAX. So NVIDIA, NVDY ticker, underline is NVIDIA, 0.8294 per share, which is okay. I mean, NVIDIA wasn't doing so good, especially when they had that DeepSeek AI thing came out. It dropped like 30 points on Monday. One day took a serious hit. So, DeepSeek is a new AI program from China that apparently scared a lot of people into selling off the tech market on Monday. And it was a serious hit to the stock market. Obviously, I didn't do anything. I'm still behind in some of the stuff I bought this month, so I didn't buy anything new. But it was a good buying period on Monday for anybody who didn't get in to be able to buy some of these things. Even the MVDY definitely took a hit when the underlying took a hit. If you have bought on Monday and now you're getting paid 82 cents, that was a good opportunity to get into the security if you didn't have it, or also buy some more. It probably was under whatever your cost basis was before because it dipped that much on Monday. So, yeah, it was a good buying opportunities for anybody who was willing to buy and wasn't scared off by the market sell off on Monday. But anyway, let me continue. Dips, which is the inverse, and that's probably why this is so high right now, 50 cents. This is a pretty good payment for this one because if you thought that Nvidia was going to short, and it did, then you made a good choice and you bought into dips. So that was a good opportunity there too. FBY ticker, the underline is Meta, which is Facebook, is 0.6390. Excuse me. It's winter. GDXY, which is a gold ETF for gold miners, is 0.5937. This one is actually pretty good payment. I don't own this one, but yeah, this is looking pretty good right now. Babu, on the line is Baba, which is Alibaba, is 0.4693. JPMO, which did excellent. Anybody who owns JP Morgan underlying stock did really well. This stock is almost pushing $300 now. It's like 265 or 270. Really awesome. And it didn't take that much of a hit on the down market day on Monday either. So this was staying strong. Whoever the great people who bought JP Morgan even 1 year ago are probably up $100 per share because JP Morgan was not even $200 last year. So great opportunity for whoever did that. I don't own that. That's my bad. I didn't buy this one. But yeah, JP Morgan is doing really well and it's paying 0.6929 per share. Murney, this is the one that I'm teetering on selling. But still, this cheap stock is still paying 27 cents a month. So Murney, which is the underline is Moderna, is paying 0.2730 per share. Mm, I'm still here. I'm still here. Let's see what happens. Plady, which is I think this is the most awesome one. I think the most awesome one for Yale Max because this one is definitely keeping its NAV and way above the NAV. It started at 50 and it's about 60 something dollars right now. This is again attached to Planeteer. Planeteer also was a good day to buy it on Monday. It had dropped a lot. It's back up now though because people know what's a good entry point. So Planeteer is back up now, but if you bought it on Monday, it would have been a good time to get in. But this is attached to Planeteer and it's hanging strong. A good 19 points above the initial starting for Plady. So it started at 50 and it's about 69, $67 per share right now. So $2.98 for this one is a really good payment and also keeping your NAV. So Plady 2.9826. Marrow is pretty. I don't know what this is right now. I can't remember what this is right now. It probably was a good opportunity on the to get it in Monday too. But yeah, so underline is Mara. So Marathon and $2. So this one has been consistent. I don't think it paid under $2 yet. This might be the third payment. I don't remember which payment this is. Maybe the third payment. But yeah, Marrow is apparently doing all right. Again, this started out $50. I don't know if it's anywhere near $50 right now. It's probably under $50, but I'll check. I don't remember how much this costs. But anyway, this is declaration date. I'll probably look at it on when I look at the payouts and do the payment. But yeah, right now that is the end of it. Next week is Group C. This is Group B for Yield Max guys, and also the three weeklies. The new weekly GPT Y did not pay yet. And then probably make their first payment next week. So that's it. That is the declaration. Decide what you're going to do in the market based on this, or if you were lucky and bought stuff on Monday. This LFGY was at least $3 under $50. I think it was like 47. You could have picked up a lot on Monday if you wanted to get into it. Again, I said I spent too much money this month, so I didn't buy anymore. That was a good buying opportunity those for whoever got in. This was about $47. It's probably gonna be $50 again today, but it was down $3 on Monday, so that was a good entry point. And that's it for declaration. Thanks for watching the channel. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe. See you guys on Friday for payday and see how much we did for the whole month of January 2025.